Chemistry Chapter 5 Water. This will be video 5. Today we'll be discussing two things: the town water supply system and solution. The town water supply system is the water which we get from our taps. How it is reaching our taps through the source of water is the town water supply system. First of all, the water which we take from the source, it is called the reservoir. It can be a lake, it can be a river, it can be a man-made reservoir to store rainwater. It is basically the source from which we are taking the water. Reservoir वो source है जहाँ से आपके town का water supply लिया जाता है. Now, before supplying this water to the houses, we should clean and filter it. ये पानी as it is consumable नहीं है. It has to be cleaned and filtered. For this, we use various steps. The first two processes are sedimentation and loading. Now, in some diagrams, the loading process is shown before the sedimentation process, and in some diagrams, it is shown after the sedimentation process. कोई बात नहीं, process दोनों use होते हैं. They can be interchanged. The main point is that we know which is which. Now in the sedimentation tank, जो भी पानी हमने रिजर्वायर से लिया है उसको हम सेडिमेंटेशन टैंक में स्टोर करके 1-2 दिन के लिए रख देंगे. The water is left there for 1 to 2 days undisturbed. उस पानी को बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना. It is left undisturbed. What happens here is when the water is left undisturbed, जब हम पानी को as it is undisturbed छोड़ देंगे, the heavy impurities which are in the water, which are not dissolved in the water, they will settle down. जो भी भारी impurities है, जो भारी density की गंदगी है पानी में, impurities है like mud, like sand, like metal, it will settle down. वो सब कुछ पानी से नीचे बैठ जाएगा. Then the water is passed on to the next tank, the loading tank. Loading tank में हम वो impurities को separate करेंगे जो water में suspended है. Suspended means those impurities which do not settle down, which are just floating in the water. Now, for getting rid of these impurities, we add alum or some other chemicals to the water. लोडिंग टैंक में पानी के अंदर हम एलम यानी फिटकरी या कोई और हेवी केमिकल्स डालते हैं. व्हाट दीज केमिकल्स डू, जो भी सस्पेंडेड इम्प्यूरिटीज है, जो भी इम्प्यूरिटीज पानी में तैर रही हैं, द केमिकल और एलम विल टेक ऑल दोस इम्प्यूरिटीज एंड मेक देम सेटल डाउन. एलम उन सारी इम्प्यूरिटीज को इकट्ठा करके नीचे टैंक में सेटल करवाएगा. नेक्स्ट, the water is passed on to the filtration tank. To make the water even more pure, we need to filter the water. Now, traditionally, we use the simplest method of filtration in the supply system. Here we have a layer of fine sand, then gravel, and then coarse gravel. Fine sand is used because sand does not एब्सॉर्ब वाटर रेडिली. सैंड जो है पानी को रेडिली या जल्दी से एब्सॉर्ब नहीं करती है. वाटर गोज डाउन वेरी स्लोली थ्रू द सैंड. तो जब पानी धीरे धीरे सैंड्स के थ्रू पास होके नीचे ग्रेवल के लेयर्स तक जाएगा, इट विल बी गेटिंग फिल्टर्ड. द ग्रेवल एंड कोर्स ग्रेवल लेयर्स मेक श्योर दैट नो पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सैंड आर पास्ड ऑन अलोंग विद द वाटर. ग्रेवल लेयर इस चीज को इंश्योर करता है कि जो पानी फिल्टर होके नीचे आया है सैंड से, उसके साथ कोई सैंड पार्टिकल्स थोड़े बहुत भी आगे ना चले जाएं. नेक्स्ट इज द क्लोरीनेशन. नाउ द वाटर विच हैज पास्ड फ्रॉम द सेडिमेंटेशन, लोडिंग एंड फिल्टरेशन टैंक, ऑल दीज 3 स्टेप्स रिमूव द इम्प्यूरिटीज फ्रॉम द वाटर. वो पानी से गंदगी को हटाते हैं. But there are still microorganisms like bacteria or other germs still present in the water. Now, to kill these germs, especially the bacteria, chlorination is done. We have discussed chlorination before as well. what we do here is we add chlorine to the water in the form of droplets or tablets or gas. Chlorination kills the bacteria in the water. Now the water is free of impurities and the germs have also been killed. This water is then stored into a storage tank and then supplied to the homes. This is the water which we are getting in our taps. So this is the town water supply system. I encourage you people to read page 72 in detail to understand the system better. Next topic is solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर का मतलब होता है वो मिक्सचर जिसमें सारे कंपोनेंट्स, सारे सब्सटेंसेस अच्छे से घुल गए हैं, आप इनको इजीली सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते हो. नाउ अ सॉल्यूशन हैज टू पार्ट्स और टू टाइप्स ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस इन इट. वन इज द सॉल्वेंट, अदर इज द सॉल्यूट. द सब्सटेंस which has been dissolved is called the solute and the substance which is dissolved in which the solute is dissolved in is the solvent. For example, we have a salt solution. हमने पानी में नमक को घोल लिया. So पानी will be the solvent, the water is the solvent and salt is the solute. Another thing to always remember is in a solution, solute is the substance which is used in less quantity and solvent is the substance which is used in the larger quantity. Solute वो substance है solution का जो कम quantity में use किया गया है और solvent वो substance है solution का जो ज़्यादा quantity में use किया गया है. Solute and solvent, when they mix together, when they form a homogeneous mixture, they are called a solution. Now a solution can be a solution of solid in solid. For example, an alloy. Alloy को बनाने के लिए हम two or more metals को mix करते हैं. It is a homogeneous mixture. It can be solid in liquid, like dissolving sugar in liquid or sugar in water or salt in water. It can be gas in gas. For example, the atmosphere. We have studied the composition of atmosphere. We know what gases are present in the atmosphere. So we have also studied that atmosphere is a mixture of gases. जो हमारा atmosphere है, जो हमारी air है हमारे आसपास, it is a mixture of gases. In this, nitrogen is present in the maximum amount. We have more quantity of nitrogen in the atmosphere, so nitrogen is the solvent and the other gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, the noble gases, water vapor, ये सारी चीजें कम quantity में present है, so these things are the solute. Next is the term universal solvent. Water is the universal solvent. Why? Because it dissolves many of the substances in it. किसी भी और लिक्विड के मुकाबले वाटर ही अकेला ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जो मैक्सिमम सॉल्यूट्स को अपने अंदर डिसॉल्व कर लेगा, घोल लेगा. दिस इज बिकॉज वी कैन से दैट वाटर हैज पोलैरिटी. दिस टर्म कैन बी एक्सप्लेन्ड इन सिंपलर वर्ड्स एज, हमें पता है वाटर का फॉर्मूला होता है H2O. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Now the hydrogen atom has positive polarity and the oxygen atom has negative polarity or negative charge. इस वजह से water has both the positive charge polarity and the negative polarity, which makes water more attracted to many types of substances. इस वजह से ये polarity होने की वजह से water काफ़ी सारे substances को अपने अंदर घोल लेता है, उनके साथ उनसे attract होके. Then is the term aqueous solution. Till now we have studied solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. It has two components, सॉल्वेंट एंड सॉल्यूट। जो ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में है वो सॉल्वेंट है, जो कम क्वांटिटी में है वो सॉल्यूट है। Aqueous solution is the solution in which the solvent is water. जब भी हम किसी चीज़ को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, we call that solution an aqueous solution. Now, saturated and unsaturated solution. This term is not given in the book, although this is used in the exercises, so I am explaining it here. Unsaturated solution is a solution in which we have not yet dissolved the maximum amount of solute. वो solution जिसमें अभी और solute खोला जा सकता है, that is an unsaturated solution. Saturated solution is the solution in which we have dissolved the maximum amount of solute. यानी कि वो solution जिसमें हम maximum solute घोल चुके हैं, dissolve कर चुके हैं और solute अब dissolve नहीं होगा, that is a saturated solution. So again, unsaturated solution in which more solute can be added. Saturated solution in which no more solute can be added because it already has the maximum amount of solute dissolved in it. This will be it for today. Tomorrow we'll be discussing water pollution, its causes and its prevention.